Welcome to 2D electrical drafting. We have an overview video available. Make sure you've seen that first. It shows all the tools working together. Doesn't go into any depth of how any of them is used, but shows a complete lighting and power design coming together very quickly. This video is covering half and double on the commands pane of the ribbon, right there and there. What I have here on the screen is a preliminary drawing. You can see that all the home runs are drawn and everything, but none of the call outs are there to the panel schedule. And you can also see that, like right there, some of the walls have moved, and sometimes you get it to a drawing to a state like this and you find out that the architect wants it drawn at a different scale for some reason, or maybe you're doing a blow up of a specific room in a large detail. For one reason or another, you want to change scales, and these two tools are helpful for that. What you do is, let's say this was drawn at 1/8 scale and you want to draw it at 1/4. You could pull down to the double and click on it to start, and then just start clicking on your symbols, and what it's doing is changing the scale by double and keeping the existing insertion and rotation. I wish it did more for you, but it's just a quick little down and dirty utility for you to help. It doesn't respace. Like right now, you're going to have to move this telephone outlet away to get the overlap. And let's run it again. Oops, missed, so it crashed, and then I restarted it. Let's move those out of the way, and let's erase the conduit, and then let's redraw it. Oh, this was back before my home runs were grouped, so I had to erase those independently. This is an actual project that got built. So let's check the dim scale, which is how insertions are sized. So right now it's at 8 feet, which is good for a 1/4 scale. So if I insert a duplex, it comes out at the size that we don't want. So it's the dim scale that controls that. So you type dim scale and then change it to 4 feet, and then do a receptacle. Oh, I should have been doing it by half, not double. Oh well. Let's change the dim scale to 16 feet. Now it's the same size across. And so you run the conduit command, and that's caused by my aperture. Let me change my aperture. It's too low. I usually do 20. I'll do 25 to make sure I get it. Stuff like that will... No, that didn't work either. Must have had to been even bigger. Stuff like that is covered in a frequently asked questions video coming up. So there you see the conduit got thicker, the radius got bigger, things like that to compensate for it. So that's double, and you can run half, and it does the same thing in reverse. In fact, I'll just click on these twice since I was supposed to go to half anyway for 1/4 scale. Now instead of moving these apart, you're moving them closer. So that's what the program is. 2D electrical drafting. It's a complete suite of tools. Make sure you've seen the overview video. Make sure you've seen all the other videos. These are two of the lesser utilities on the whole suite. So make sure you've seen other things to see what we're capable of doing. Thanks for your time.